Aria was a 26-year-old aspiring writer who had always dreamed of publishing her own novel. Ever since she was a teenager, she carried stories in her mind, characters, plot twists, fantasy worlds. But she never wrote them down. Every time someone asked her why, her answer was always the same. One day I'll write it. She told herself she was too busy with work, too tired after long days, or that the timing wasn't right. She had notebooks full of ideas, character names, and first chapters, but never a finished story. One day became a comfortable excuse. One Sunday morning, while scrolling through social media, Aria saw a post that caught her attention. It was a plain black image with white text that read, "One day or day one, you decide." At first, she scrolled past it, but something made her go back. She read it again and again. She realized something that hit her hard. Years had gone by, and all she'd done was talk about her dreams, not act on them. Her one day had already stolen 5 years of her writing life. That evening, Aria took out her old laptop. It was dusty and slow, but it worked. She opened a blank document and typed,